time is it? It's 1:05. And we were gonna start going to bed, and then all of a sudden
How tight are they gonna be?
Not tight. I'm giving him ready.
because he needed help with his foot, and then so now he wasn't. But then he heard that we're in here, so now he was in here. I think you can order if he's gonna be here in here, then he should buy stuff. And now he's getting in and out because he was raised well, and then because he got FOMO because he wasn't. Like I was saying, because of that, he's getting us snacks as well. So yeah.
Wait, sir.
Ew, I got that in camera. No, I can't. We're badasses, so we're about to eat. Look at all the food we have, bro. We got drinks. Yeah. What did you guys get me?
Well, I think everybody got Sprite. Yeah.
Okay, that's good. What is my God! Oh. So, okay guys, we got stop. Opie, stop. Oh my God.
Guys, look at Dylan.
Bro. No. Okay, so, no. Mama wants a tattoo. I gotta give her a tattoo. Sir, you're bad.
What? You
Yeah, just let it breathe. Don't move.
Shh. Everybody take a breath. And out.
I think he got his nighttime cookies from.
I don't think that was like, I don't On a scale from 1 to 10, we're all cracked out.
Oh.
Coyote's on like some major drugs right now. Coyote.
Oh.
Guys, craziest party in AKA.
Are you doing a Red Bull right now?
No, you're not. No, you're
Don't put it on your lips.
Was that a picture?
Oh my gosh.
You're so dumb. You're gonna be.
Ew, I just touched his feet.
You're gonna have like an energy.
Yes. Wait.
He's gonna go over it.
Bro, you got it in his mouth.
Don't touch your tattoo.
Coyote, how are you feeling?
No, it's okay. You're okay.
Yes. What the fuck are you saying right there?
Bro, this reminds me of sniffing candles.
Sniffing candles on TJ Maxx.
What the fuck did you
These are what the drugs do to you. Kids don't do them.
Why do I keep getting... Stop! Puta madre. What is he fucking saying? I'm so fucking scared right now.
Are you actually getting abused?
Why are you pumping the foot? I know. It looked like it was this way. Oh no.
2, 1, and you're next, Lorenzo.
Oh, careful. Out of my kitchen. Go. Out of my kitchen, you little shit. Get out.
Get off my stuff.
Lorenzo, get out of my panties.
Get off my stuff.
You coyote!
He put his feet in my face.
The coyote's crawling out of the
This is my sock. Where's my sock over here? What the fuck? Get out! What are you hiding for? Get out!
He told me to hide.
Oh, coyote.
I'm telling them to go down.
No, he just looked me.
Guys, you need to leave. You guys need to.
No.
What's that slimy thing down there?
It's 2:30. It's 2:40. Look.
Coyote, we're jogging now.
Bye, guys.
Say bye, bye, bye.
We're here, guys. We're at the beach. Why would you? Yay!
Hi, Riley. Hi, Gage. Calendar.
Chill. What did he do to you?
Bro, he yelled at me.
What?
Mama, he yelled at me.
Hey, don't yell at Dylan.
I'm not doing the doing it.
Protect you, Dylan.
Get him. Guys, we're back at AZT. We're like 2 hours away from home.
Wait, I
now.
can get.
All right, guys, we're gonna speed run. What we got? Okay, I got water.
Pop rocks. Nerds. Loose tube and water.
Quick, say what you got.
Whatever this is.
Okay, say it again. Sydney,
Hello,
Sarah,
Kitty boxes, boba,
you need to say it again.
cinnamon bites.
Quick.
Trey, very much good cheer.
Okay, Gage.
Wait,
Say
we're doing a
what you got. Quick, say what you got. Yeah, because it restarted by accident.
Alright, I have a water and I got some popping candy to hit.
Okay, good job. Gage, do it again. But I got
Popping candy?
Okay, Kinley.
I literally.
T-minus 10 seconds.
No, Sydney. Alright, and that's it, guys. Everyone that got Pop Rocks is gonna eat their Pop Rocks right now. Do your Pop Rocks right here. Guys, I got sunburned on my shoulder.
Just rip it from the top.
You guys have to be quick. Because it has to be less than a
Alright.
minute. Less than a minute.
3, 2,
Go. Oh wow, that's loud. Yours came in as a rock.
Bro, you're not even getting in the camera.
Wait, here.
That was delicious.
Everyone get behind me. Wow.